Hello everyone and welcome to part 8 aka part title on what it ratchet tonight. So without the door, let's get on the other story, boys. So let's go. Well, our story begins with after Galvatron and Decepticons. Alright, the title battle had begins. And of course, Galvatron and Decepticons try to attack on Autobots, Optimus Prime, and Dinobots, but there are too many of them and told not and told that so. And I can edit Optimus Prime and all that and Dinobots. They did them so witty, of course, killing them once and all. And so then, after this, now it's older, other that, Ratchet and Optimus Prime that knew that lockdown was that by Towan because what on the Quitata at all Optimus Prime is but to be taught to can and more damage to Tadatron. And so the Autobots go to the ship on the lockdown and using the ship lockdown to arrive into Tadatron to top on Quitata. And after they arrive, they are in shock to the Tadatron is dead because of the Quitata. They are interiors other that though. And I can other that the Autobot and Dinobot they did her to that and killing her once and all. And so the Autobot and Dinobot will rebuild the new teacher on Tadatron and the court. The 8 on Tadatron has begun. And that is going to lead to now, everybody. Thanks for watching on this video. And I will see all you guys in the next on What It. See ya!